I would describe light as being life. Like, without light, there is no colour, there's no vision. It's just key to everything we have around us and our relationships with each other and the planet and our habitats. It's just everything. It is everything. I usually like to tell a story by using it in different formations and in different arrangements, often bringing in materials that are reflective and refractive, which aid how we see the light and our relationship to the light. And as a visitor enters one of my installations, which is either naturally lit or artificially lit, then they start engaging with that installation and spending time with that installation in a way that I haven't seen visitors spend time with work that isn't lit or light-based. It seems to captivate people in a way that people want to stick with it, whether they want to move around it. Maybe it's because there's different colours being used and they want to see how each colour makes them feel. When a visitor enters an installation of mine, whether it be a combination of warm lights or white lights or spectral lights, each colour brings to people memories. Just like smells or sounds trigger memories for us, I think colour does the same, or coloured light does the same. And so people go away with these experiential encounters, having seen this colour, and I think that's how light manages to tell a story. It's not the light telling a story, it's us bringing the stories to the light. When I make an installation, one of the things I do is spend quite a lot of time in the space, and I observe how